Here we are at 1728 Wintergreen Boulevard here at Winter Park, Florida 32792. This is in Seminole County. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,090 square foot. Everything on the inside seems to be updated. You've got the exterior painted. Show you around out here real quick. All underground power. You see you got a parking spot right here, and then my Tahoe is in on another parking spot here for the home. Just on the other side of this is the pool. And you can walk through this to the inside, but you do have this side yard right here. Plus the shed space back there. Again, 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,090 square foot.
Yeah. So you're not really taking over yard if you keep it. It's just garden.
Master bedroom to your left. Vaulted ceilings, knocked down. Everything's been painted in here. Good sized walk-in closet. They're still finishing up, as you can tell. You've got some paint covering the mirror, the handles, and all the fixtures. This bathroom looks original that they've just glazed over. Again, looks like new flooring. Here is your electrical panel. Into the kitchen. Again, all brand new appliances. Looks to be quartz countertop. Plenty of cabinets. You do have this exterior door right here to go outside. HVAC has a 2010 date right here. Bathroom number 2. Looks like they've updated all the tile in the bathroom. Vanity. Bedroom number 2. Again, everything's been painted. And finally, bedroom number 3. Walk back outside to the living space, a nice little bump out.